So we resume with the mixed questions. We were at step 1, we went to step 2, and we're at step 3. What is step 3? Step 3 is the equation we got from here. So we found our number of moles, 0.1 moles. We already had our volume at 100 cubic centimeters, but we had to convert it to cubic decimeters, which gave us 0.1. So we have 0.1 mole, which we found, 0.1 cubic decimeters, which we converted from the 100 cubic centimeters. If you didn't catch this one, watch the previous video. So 0.1 divided by 0.1 gives us 1 mole per cubic decimeter, which is our final answer for concentration. So that's how we found the concentration. I repeat, step 1, we identified what we are given, what we are asked. What we are given is the mass, 4 grams. The volume at 100 cubic centimeters, which we of course have to convert to decimeters, because that's what we use in chemistry in regards to stoichiometry, which of course was 100 cubic centimeters divided by 1000 gives us 0.1 cubic decimeters. Now we've got this volume. We just place it here because now we have to find moles, and thankfully we are being given the mass. So using the mass we can find the mole, because now how do you find the mole? Mole equals to mass divided by formula mass, or MR. And of course the mass is 4 grams. The formula mass is the sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, because sodium, oxygen, hydrogen give you your sodium hydroxide, because oxygen bonded with hydrogen gives you hydroxide. So sodium plus hydroxide gives you sodium hydroxide. Okay, that's very good. Now we move on. Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen have all these different atomic masses. Together it makes formula mass. Okay, atomic mass is 23 on the periodic table for sodium. You go there, 23 is the atomic mass. The number below is the number of electrons. Okay, well, this is deeper stuff. It goes into Bohr structures, which again is another video that I might make. Anyways, moving on. There we have it. 23 for sodium, 16 for oxygen, and 1 for hydrogen. Now, add these up, and then divided by 4, or 4 divided by this, 4 divided by this, not the other way around. It gives you a different answer. So 4 divided by what you add up here will give you 0.1 moles. Now this is the mole that you use to find now your concentration, because already the volume was given, just had to be converted. So 0.1 divided by 0.1 gives you 1 mole per cubic dm, and that is our final answer for mixed questions. So any mixed question you have, always remember to identify first what you were given, what you were asked. Based on these, you will form equations from your triangles, which were of course mentioned in the beginning, right over here. And these will help you greatly in order to finally answer all your mixed questions. So we can end the video here, and then we move on to the 2 last parts of these this topic of stoichiometry, that is calculations using balanced equations, where I'll also teach you now how to do the valencies, of course.